na nato in pagpanaw pataas palalihan sin mga bata-bata kaput unod panya will begin with our Quran bearer. His none other than Rasif Tupai. Let's give him the warmest welcome, cousin of the group. Carrying a symbol of legality and commitment, our contract bearer is none other than Tayyip Tupay, Alakun Sin Pamangking Babae. And completing the list of our bearers, carrying the symbol of love and unity, our ring bearer is none other than Ahmed Khair El Juljani, Pagtungod Sin Pamangking Muso.